Mwanangu TV.
Oh yeah, let's learn the Shona ABCs. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABC. A is for my mother. B is for buku, book. C is for chingwa, bread. D is for ziza, learn. E is for enda, go. F is for famba, walk. Let's learn the Shona ABCs. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABCs. G is for gonzo, rat. H is for huku, hen. I is for imba, house. J is for juicy, jersey. K is for kamba, tortoise. But wait, there's no L in the Shona alphabet. Did you know that? Try and think of Shona words beginning with L. You won't find any. M is for muti, tree. N is for nuchi, bee. O is for onde, fig. P is for porto, pot. Let's learn the Shona ABC. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs. But wait, there's no Q in the Shona alphabet. Did you know that? Try and think of Shona words beginning with Q. You won't find any. R is for Rima, farming. S is for Shamwari, friend. T is for Tafura, table. U is for Uswa, grass. V is for Viri, wheel. W is for Onbera, clap. But wait, there's no X in the Shona alphabet. Try and think of Shona words beginning with X. You won't find any. Y is for Yangu, mine. Z is for Z,